and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can repair your Bluetooth if you cannot find a Bluetooth accessory on the BLACKVIEW Tab 12. So when I have a problem with my headphones, I'm starting from the simplest way, just restart Bluetooth connection. How to do it? Turn it off and turn it on again, then look for your device out the Bluetooth list. You can also try to restart your tablet by holding the power button and choose restart. A little bit obvious, I know, but sometimes this really works. So at the start you have to be sure that your Bluetooth accessory have activated power mode. How to do it, you will find the manual to your device or maybe on your YouTube channel, so check it. In my case I have to click 3 times this button, sometimes you have to push the button. Many devices starting in the power mode automatically, so you have to check it by yourself. And if you're sure that your Bluetooth accessory have activated power mode and should be visible for your other devices but not for your tablet, go back to the settings. Sorry, I lost the settings. There is it, okay. And slide down to the system. Now go to the reset options, and you can see there you have a reset Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth. So tap on it, choose reset settings, confirm your pattern, and tap on the reset settings button. After that, look for your device again. In the next step, you can also try to update your system. So go to the settings again, go to the system section and look for the system update. If you have any updates, just download it and install. After that, look for the device again on the Bluetooth list. And the last recommendation from me, check your Bluetooth accessory on your tablet or another Bluetooth device to check which one making a problem here, which one is visible, which not. That's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe and a comment, and goodbye.